Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about this bad boy here. This is the Isntree green tea fresh toner. Okay, now I've been using this toner since last year, this particular bottle since last year, maybe November. Since last year November. So November, December, January, almost at the end of January. So all of November, all of December, and all of January. That's 3 months. I've been using this toner for 3 months, and let me tell you, why did I start using this toner? I started using this toner because my skin was extremely dry. I think that I kind of was over exfoliating my skin. My skin was extremely dry. I just wanted my skin to, like, the hydration to come back to my skin, and I also wanted to use my exfoliating cleansers. For example, the SA cleanser, I wanted to use my SA cleanser with a hydrating toner because I couldn't use it with glycolic acid because that's too much acid in one routine. So I decided to get the Isntree green tea fresh toner. Now this toner is supposed to, let me start first. This toner has green tea extract. It has 80% green tea extract. Okay, not 10%, not 20%, not even 60%. It has 80% green tea extract. Now what are some of the benefits of green tea extract? Now green tea is supposed to be a hydrating ingredient. It is supposed to be the ingredient that is going to reduce sebum production. Okay, green tea is also an anti-aging ingredient. Okay, a calming, a soothing ingredient, especially for irritated or inflamed skin. Okay, so the fact that we have 80% green tea extract is amazing. This is not only a cleanser or a toner that you just apply to your skin because you want it to hydrate the skin. This toner is going to allow the sebum production on your skin to be regulated. It's almost like niacinamide. So if you overproduce oil on your skin, if you have acne prone skin, it's going to help to reduce the amount of sebum that you produce during the day. This is the reason why I like it. Now when it comes to hydration, when it comes to calming, when it comes to soothing, green tea is the boss for that. Okay, this is the reason why, like, Asians, like even Japanese, they drink a lot of green tea because green tea actually helps to calm the lining of your stomach wall. So if you're having problems, if you're having congestion, if you're having any type of problem within your body or the lining of your stomach wall, it helps to calm it, to soothe it. Okay, so it's a very calming ingredient. One, it's a very soothing ingredient. It is an ingredient when it's applied onto the skin, it helps the sebum production. It helps to reduce the sebum production on your skin. Okay, so it's an overall excellent ingredient if you have acne prone skin, if you produce too much oil, if you need to replace the hydration on your skin or to renew your skin, if you need to calm your skin because you're over exfoliating or you're doing too much on your skin. This ingredient or this product is perfect. Excellent, and I love it. And my skin right now, currently, my skin is in its, when it comes to hydration, my skin is at its best. Like literally, there's some days I just pour water on my skin and my skin is not oily one. My skin, it doesn't feel dry and so forth. It just has this nice hydrated feeling. Even sometimes I go in with my moisturizer and so forth, my skin doesn't feel oily and it doesn't feel like a bunch of stuff is on the top layer of my skin, and my skin doesn't feel irritated and all of the bad stuff that it used to feel, or it doesn't strip as much and so forth. Okay, my skin is at a very healthy state, or is in a very healthy state, and it is all because I started using this product here. So let me tell you, 3 months, very, very good, a very excellent toner. It also has CENTELLA ASIATICA. It doesn't have a lot, it just has like 0.5 0.01%, which is not a lot, but it has Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica is a wound healing ingredient. It is a calming, soothing ingredient. Centella asiatica is an anti-aging ingredient. It is also good for texture irregularities and also for hyperpigmentation, because it's going to heal your skin. Okay, but I wouldn't boast about the Centella asiatica because it's not really a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like 80% compared to 0.01% is like night and day. But green tea is what is going to definitely change your skin. If you had problems, as I mentioned before, it will definitely help. Okay, and not only does it have green tea and Centella asiatica, it has ginkgo leaf. Also a wound healing ingredient. So this is the reason why this toner is very calming on the skin. It has willow bark extract, a very hydrating ingredient, good for hyperpigmentation and so forth. It also has hyaluronic acid, and this is where we get a lot of hydration. You know what I'm saying? This is how we get to maintain and retain moisture, the moisture in the skin. So very excellent toner. It also has allantoin. Allantoin is a very calming, soothing ingredient. So if you have irritated skin, it helps to calm it. And this product has so many very beneficial ingredients, especially if you want hydration, or if you want hydrated skin, if you want your skin to be calm and soothe, if you have any problems, if you went in the sun and you were doing too many walking up and down in the sun, it helps to calm the skin. If you went in with too many actives in your skincare, it is very calming. It helps to calm and to soothe your skin. If you went in with a crazy cleanser that did too much to your skin, go in with this toner. It will help to calm it. Like overall, a very good toner. And I'm not just saying this, I'm saying this because of my experience. I had a problem. I searched for a product that could actually work, and this product helped to take care of my skin, take care of the hydration, take care of the irritation or the inflammation that I was feeling, and just the fact that it was easily irritated by any and every ingredient. This allowed it to be calm. Sebum oil production during the day in areas that I didn't want oil to be producing, it helped to maintain a natural the skin's natural health in terms of oil production, because you don't want your skin to be producing too much oil, because that can cause acne. You know what I'm saying? But this is a very good toner and I love it. Ask me if I'm going to get another bottle as soon when this is finished. Yes, I am. Okay, Isntree is this toner is, yeah, green tea fresh toner. Is the type of toner that you want to have when you want fresh, nice, calm, soothing skin. I don't know what to or how to express, but I love it and I totally would recommend it 100%. So if you're looking for a hydrating toner that is not only just hydrating, it's going to help you to control sebum, it's going to help to calm your skin if it's irritated. It's just... But guys, yes, I don't want to ramble anymore. My video just stopped because I was talking so much, but it's an excellent toner and I really enjoyed it, and I'm just going to show you a little demo. Yeah, and yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Love me some Isntree. See you. Bye. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light.
see the bones